Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the exact assistant that keeps popping up. This matters because settings differ by vendor. Once you know which one, open its app or system settings and disable the wake word detection and background listening permissions. Make sure to revoke microphone access for apps that don't need it, and toggle Bluetooth mic access off if your car or headphones trigger it. After applying changes, restart the device to ensure settings take effect and to clear any cached listeners that were still active. Next, you tackle the more detailed controls. Disable hotkeys and hardware triggers. Go to System Accessibility and Input Settings to unmap long press home, power button assistant launch, or headset button actions. Once done, update both the OS and Assistant app to patch bugs that sometimes re-enable listeners. Also, make a focus or do not disturb profile that blocks assistant prompts during certain hours. This works as a backup if a problematic app re-requests permissions unexpectedly. To finish, clear the assistant app cache and data, and if needed, reset assistant preferences so any hidden triggers are removed. Then, test by simulating the wake word and hardware presses while watching for permission prompts. This confirms the issue is solved. If the assistant still appears, uninstall or disable the app entirely and reboot, then reconfigure only essential features. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, create a new user profile on the device to isolate settings and identify which app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.